Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to buy a gift card on Maurices. If you don't have a Maurices account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. On the pop-up window, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Gift Cards. On this page, select the type of gift card you wish to purchase. So in this video, I'm going to buy an e-gift card. Now on this page, customize the gift card you wish to buy. First, enter the desired amount and select the color of your e-gift card. After that, enter all the necessary information, such as recipient's name and email, and the sender's email. You could also add a message. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on Add to Bag. Next, review the order summary, then click on the Secure Checkout button. On the checkout page, also review the shipping and payment method. If you wish you make some changes, click on the Edit button. After that, click on Review Order. So after reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Place Order. That's how you buy a gift card on Maurices. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.